Tired of wrangling your data to find that first sorted value in Qlik Sense? Let's dive straight into extracting the first sorted value right within your Qlik Sense load script, making it available for immediate use. First, ensure you have a connection to your data source established within the load script. This connection will allow you to bring in the raw, unsorted data into Qlik Sense. Next, within your load statement, incorporate the order by clause, specifying the field you want to sort. This arranges your data in ascending order based on the chosen field. Now, use the first keyword along with the order by clause. This essential addition tells Qlik Sense to only retrieve the very first row from the sorted dataset. If loading from an existing table, create a temporary table using the resident keyword. This allows you to perform the sorting operation on the data already present in Qlik Sense. Finally, assign the first sorted value to a variable using the peek function within the script. This makes it super simple to access the sorted value in your charts. And there you have it. You've now successfully retrieved the first sorted value directly in your Qlik Sense load script, ready to power your visualizations. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Qlik Sense tips.